Hi everyone, I'm Luca Di Bartolo. I'm working with the Unipa team on the Outdoor Against Cancer Connect Us project. The aim of this interview is to spread the purpose of this project. Here we have Professor Hanna Nordström. Please tell us something about yourself.
My name is Anna Nordström, and I'm the coordinator of this fantastic project. I'm also a medical doctor, and I've been working in the field of medicine for over 20 years. I'm also a professor in public health at Umeå University in Sweden and a professor in sports science at the Arctic University of Norway. My work is all about testing out new ideas and technologies that can help people lead healthier and more active lives.
How can outdoor physical activity improve general well-being in people?
From my point of view as a researcher, there is good scientific evidence that physical activity outdoors help. You will be happier if you contribute. If you exercise, it's not only good for your physical health, it also helps your mental health as well. Spending time in nature and in natural light can improve your mood and reduce your stress and depression levels. We also know we get the benefits of vitamin D. Of course, it's known as the sunshine vitamin. Of course, it's not good for our skin to be out and get too much sun, but use the sunscreen and go out and move in a good way. And you will also probably exercise longer and burn more calories compared to if you were doing the same thing indoors. And actually, when we are outdoor and not on a treadmill, we will get extracted on what we're doing and be having more of a good experience for most of us.
Healthy and balanced nutrition is one of the pillars to achieve general well-being, isn't it?
We do have sufficient evidence to say that it is good with healthy data. It supports the benefit that it's with foods that are rich in plant sources from fats and proteins, fish, nuts, whole grains, and fruit and vegetable, and to avoid partially hydrogenetic fats and limit a bit on the red meat and refined carbohydrates that we know for sure today.
In which way making sustainable choices in support of nature contribute to developing a healthy future for next generations?
Looking at the scientific evidence for supporting the choices for sustainable choices, there has been an increased appreciation that public health and health on the planet is closely interrelated. This is one of the factors we really haven't discussed so much within science and before also in the community. Actually, the World Health Organization estimates that about 23% of all deaths are linked to environmental risks like air pollution, water contamination, and chemical exposure. That's quite terrifying to know those numbers. And sustainable development provides an approach to make better decisions on issues that affect all of our lives. This is easy to close our eyes to and not be aware of, but it's actually quite terrifying. And starting to look at our health as a more of a holistic, sustainable way will help us make better decisions. For example, by incorporating health plans into planning in new communities, we can ensure residents have access to healthcare and leisure facilities and outdoor environments that you actually want to go out in because they're beautiful and you feel safe. This is not something easy, but we need to start working on it in a holistic way.